Hey everybody, so as you know, we are entering peak holiday shopping season for the Amazon Influencer Program. Views are up, clicks are up, commissions are up, everything seems to be going really well for us. But I've been noticing some recent changes within the Amazon Influencer Program, and in this video I want to go over those changes. I want to go over how we can utilize those to really boost our sales, boost our conversion as we continue throughout this holiday shopping season. So most are good, but let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to share my screen here just so we can go over a few statistics and see how we can continue to approach this holiday season here. So far, the last 3 days, right now it is the November 23rd, so Thanksgiving actually, so happy Thanksgiving to you all if you do celebrate that. But Black Friday is tomorrow, and you know that Amazon has already started doing sales, started doing Black Friday sales. So I've already seen a boost in commission, a boost in clicks. So 1,059 going to 1,599, going to 1,486. Now, one thing that you should note is that the last time that many of us saw this huge increase in clicks, and for myself especially, this was back in July during Prime Day. So I had a boost in clicks of 1,161 to 2,652 and then 2,404. Now, during Prime Day, I was able to reach my absolute highest day ever, which was $1,017 or $1,017, $1,017.95. Wow, I can't speak right now. So this is exactly what I am expecting for this Black Friday, for this Cyber Monday. So you can see that the clicks have already rose up to 1,599 for me, then 1,486. One that is not currently showing on here is yesterday's, but that was 1,811. And I want to go over why that is. I want to go over one change that I'm really noticing, because it's something that you guys can start utilizing yourself. So what happened for me in that, and what I saw a huge increase in clicks, is that recently Amazon has added a lower carousel tab that wasn't there before. So let me explain. I've got a tab here. This is the Bizzle Little Green Carpet. So as you can see, I'm on Google Chrome right now. I want to just mention that this is on Google Chrome, but if you scroll down, you'll see that there is currently only one lower tab here on Google Chrome. It's just the videos for related products. It's page 1 of page 2. So I believe there's a total of 5 videos on here. But a really interesting thing is that on desktop for Safari, same product, as you can see, Bizzle Little Green, same exact product. If I scroll down, there's actually 2 lower carousel rows. So that was very interesting to me. I didn't know. I don't know why that is, because on mobile, it's also the same way. There's 2 slots here for the lower carousel, but on Google Chrome, it doesn't seem to have both of them. As you can see here, once again, it's got the video for related products, but on Safari, it has it separated. It has videos for this product, and then it has the videos for related product. So what does this mean? What I've been doing is kind of using this to my advantage. I'm seeing, okay, there's more spots on listings. So what am I going to do? I'm going to post more videos, especially on higher selling products that I normally wouldn't even have a chance to get into, because this is probably going to give me a good opportunity to get in. So that's exactly what I did. 2 days ago, I posted a Blink camera. Now this is a, not Blink camera, a Ring stick-up camera. This is a very, very popular camera. As you can see, 10,000 bought in the past month. It's usually around like 2,000 to 5,000 a day is what I'm seeing right now with my Logi sales. Let's see if this opens up. It probably won't. Yeah, it wasn't loading in earlier. But yeah, somewhere in that range, probably 2,000 or so, at least right now per day, as we're getting into the Black Friday deal season. So I was like, okay, there's a lot more options in here. I'm going to upload my video. So one thing I noticed is that one change, not only does your video get approved faster by Amazon, it actually gets on carousels much quicker. So usually it would take about 3 days or so, maybe 2 to 3 days for it to get fully onto a product listing. But this time I noticed that camera, the Ring camera here, I uploaded it, and then within 12 hours or so, it was approved onto my storefront. And then before the day ended, I was already on the listing for this Ring stick-up camera. So what does this mean? One thing that I'm kind of thinking is that Amazon is changing their algorithm a little bit. They're really giving new videos an opportunity to get on the page, because my video for this camera, it's not on here anymore, but it was on there for, I'd say, at least the whole next day. And what's crazy is that within that one day, I ended up getting like over 70 sales from this camera, which is crazy. That's absolutely crazy. So one thing that you should know and just go back and do is these videos or these products that you have that you're like, oh, man, I'm not gonna get on. These are so popular. I mean, this is a Ring stick-up camera. Everybody has this. Everybody has the doorbells. Everybody has outdoor cameras that they can just kind of hang around their house. This is for inside the house mainly, but there's a lot of different popular products like that you'd think, man, I'm not gonna get on the listing. There's no point in me wasting my time. That's what I had thought this whole time. But 2 days ago, I was like, you know what? If it gets on there, then I get a few sales, and cool. I did it, and I got 70 sales off of this, which is absolutely insane. So definitely utilize that to your advantage. So use anything that you have that's very popular. Go and record a video. This was not a very well edited video that I made. It was me kind of showing the camera in use. I pulled out another phone that I have here, and I kind of showed it, the app, how it was working. So I just showed the consumer what they would want to know. How does it work with the app? I talked about it. I talked about my understanding of it and how long I've had it, and things that you think the consumer would want to know. So hopefully with 70 sales, it somehow gets back on there. That'd be super, super awesome, especially as the Black Friday starts tomorrow and then Cyber Monday coming up. But that's what I'm trying to say here, is that depending on when you watch this, like I said, this is the 23rd. Black Friday is tomorrow for me. Cyber Monday is going to be in a couple days. You still have time with how fast Amazon is approving videos and how fast they're actually putting them on listings. You still definitely have time to get on listings for Cyber Monday. So really take advantage of that, because you can get a huge increase in commission for this holiday season. So like I said earlier too, I had gotten $1,000 in one day during July's Prime Day. That was with 2,000 clicks. Right now, it's not even Black Friday, and I'm already at 1,599 clicks, 1,486 clicks, and then yesterday was 1,811 clicks. And that's just 3 days in a row. These are the highest days of clicks in a row that I've gotten since that July Prime Day. I haven't really passed 1,400 since then, and now I'm consistently doing it in 3 days in a row. And I'm expecting tomorrow for the clicks to absolutely skyrocket. I'm expecting for Monday the clicks to absolutely skyrocket. And I'm going to go around my house. I'm going to go to my Alexas. I'm going to do my Echoes, my Alexa chargers, all these things that I was kind of procrastinating because I was expecting like my videos are not going to get on there. After seeing the results from this and seeing that Amazon is going to give you an opportunity to get on the listing, I'm going to take full advantage, and I highly recommend that you do too. I mean, sure, we're going to be competing for that, but man, 70 sales in one day, I'm pretty sure we can all share a little bit of that for sure, which is absolutely wild stuff, I'm telling you. But one thing that you should also know is don't feel like Cyber Monday is like the deadline. Amazon had sent out a calendar. Basically, it was saying that the main deals that we're used to is like Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Sure, that's up until those the 27th, I believe it was. But peak holiday shopping season is actually starting from the 28th of November all the way to December 20th. So that's almost a whole month of people that are going to be shopping and looking for products. So don't feel like, man, I missed out already on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I'm just going to stop posting. There's no point anymore. No, you've got a whole extra month, a whole extra 3 weeks to start posting videos, ordering products even, and just making as much videos as possible, because as you can see, the potential here is crazy. This is Prime Day. This is 2 days. Back when this happened, I had probably 600 videos up. Right now, I'm over 1,000. So I'm expecting I should theoretically have more commissions than I did here, but we'll see. Amazon's always changing and things are always happening. But theoretically, if I've got an extra 400 videos, I should break my highest commission here, and you guys should all too, especially. So really take advantage of this. Know that there is a huge potential in here. You do just got to put in a little bit of time. You might have to like watch less Netflix or YouTube or something, or I don't know, do less video games, whatever you do. Just know that this is going to pay off. It really will. All the hard work that you've been putting throughout the whole year, you just got to kind of double down for another 2 weeks, and I can assure you that it will completely pay off. As you can see here, already a huge boost in clicks, for 3 days in a row for me. Items are going to ship probably Monday heavily, Tuesday heavily for the Cyber Monday deals, and then next Wednesday heavily for the continued Cyber Day deals. So really just utilize this time for your advantage. Don't feel like Cyber Monday is the cutoff. You still got time. Really put in some effort here, because there is some huge changes going on. Amazon is giving you opportunity to get your videos on there, regardless of whether the product is the most popular product on Amazon, which this camera is. It's really one of the most popular products on Amazon. It's a ring stick up camera. You wouldn't expect to get on here very easily, and my video did. So make sure you take that to your advantage. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn more about the Amazon Influencer Program, go ahead and click this video.